My name is Emily Casteel, and I am a sophomore majoring in biology with a minor in secondary education at East Tennessee State University. I grew up in Greenville, Tennessee, and graduated from North Green High School in 2020. My interest in science began on my family farm, where I interacted with cattle, sheep, goats, and other pets, as well as producing garden vegetables. I knew I wanted to share the things I had learned with others, and this is what led me to consider a career in science education. I am planning to teach science at the middle or high school level, and in particular interested to see an increase in the use of hands-on STEM-related activities in the classroom, like student-organized and led laboratory experiments and the opportunity for students to interact with various animals. In my personal life, I enjoy knitting, baking, and writing short stories. I currently volunteer with the Langston Center in Johnson City, and I'm always looking to expand my service in the community.